Almost everyone does it. That quick little pop when you crack your knuckles. Some people find it satisfying, others find it annoying. But the big question is it safe or is it secretly dangerous? Today, let's break down the myths, the science, and the truth about knuckle cracking. First of all, why do people crack their knuckles? For many, it's simply a habit. It gives a sense of relief, almost like stretching after sitting for too long. Some even say it helps them focus. The sound is oddly satisfying, and the temporary looseness in the fingers can feel relaxing. But what's really going on inside your hands when that pop happens? Here's where the debate begins. You've probably heard people warn, don't crack your knuckles, you'll get arthritis. Sounds scary, right? But is that actually true? Myth number 1. Cracking knuckles causes arthritis. This is the most common warning people give, but it isn't true. Research, including a long-term study where a doctor cracked only one hand for decades, showed no difference at all. Simply put, cracking doesn't cause arthritis. Myth number 2. Your bones are grinding together. That sounds painful, but it's not what's happening. If your bones were actually grinding, you'd be in serious trouble. The truth is much less scary. It's not bone on bone at all. The science. So, what really causes the sound? Inside your joints, there's a natural liquid called synovial fluid. This fluid acts like a cushion and lubricant, helping your joints move smoothly. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create negative pressure inside the joint. That pressure change causes tiny gas bubbles, mostly carbon dioxide, to form and then collapse. That sudden collapse is the pop you hear. It's like opening a soda can, but inside your joints. And here's something interesting. Once you've cracked a joint, you usually can't do it again right away. That's because it takes time for the gas to dissolve back into the fluid before another pop is possible. Now, even though it doesn't cause arthritis, that doesn't mean cracking is 100% harmless. If you do it excessively, over and over, studies suggest it could lead to some side effects like mild swelling in your hands, reduced grip strength compared to non-crackers, or irritation in the soft tissues around the joint. So while the occasional crack is harmless, constantly doing it might have some downsides. So what's the verdict? Cracking your knuckles isn't dangerous, and it definitely doesn't cause arthritis. The sound isn't bones grinding, it's just gas bubbles collapsing in your joint fluid. But moderation is key. If it feels good, go ahead, just don't overdo it. Pop responsibly. Now go subscribe for more interesting videos.